Welcome, my lady. I'm appearing with Mr. Ndegwa Jiro for the plaintiff. Present, my lady.
My name is Miano. I appear for the interested party. And for this afternoon's proceedings, I have been requested by Mr. Kigata, who appears for the defendant, to hold his brief. Which I shall.
Again is the plaintiff, Ashwin Shah. Where is he?
My lady, the plaintiff is within the court precinct, not into court. So we'll be requesting the court to, he's in an ambulance. Mr. Ndegwa had indicated that.
Well, I was entitled that the plaintiff will be brought in an ambulance. You know, isn't this, didn't you tell me that the plaintiff would be brought to court in an ambulance?
My lady, when we appeared before you yesterday, I attempted to address you about the immobility of the plaintiff, and then I was muted by the court. Then today in the morning, your lady, when I appeared before you to a request for this time, I again indicated to the court that we shall bring the plaintiff in the condition in which he is. I actually indicated that to the court. If the CTS was recording it, should bear me witness on that issue.
Did you say indicate?
Your Ladyship, we even had made an attempt to file an affidavit, which Your Ladyship, when it brought to the attention of, dismissed it. And
yes, I said because I had made orders in Mr. Mutava's presence that I'll not hear any application until your client comes to court in answer to the notice to show cause.
I agree with you.
Yes.
Perhaps if
Those
this,
are court orders, Mr.
I agree.
Ndegwa.
But perhaps if this application was hard, we would not have found ourselves in the situation that we find ourselves in.
Mr. Ndegwa, sit down.
I'm also obliged.
With the kind permission. Party, my lady, it's important it goes on record that during the hearing or the mitigation and sentencing hearing of this contempt proceedings, the interested party shall be producing photographic evidence showing that the plaintiff.
It is not mitigation and sentencing. It's notice to show cause.
Yes, during the notice show cause hearing, we shall be producing photographic evidence showing that the plaintiff attended the recently concluded Diwali celebration my lady, he was not immobilized, and it is important it goes on record now due to the submissions of the plaintiff that he is immobilized and their actions in bringing him in an ambulance. My lady, we will be disputing the plaintiff's so-said immobility. But we will abide the directions of the court as to the conduct of these hearings.
2025, I categorically said that I will not give the plaintiff further audience until he comes to court those are previous orders. So it is apparent that there is no good intention on the part of the plaintiff and his advocates to have the notice to show cause against the plaintiff had the ruling in which I made orders that the plaintiff and the auctioneer were to attend court for notice to show cause was delivered on 4th of October 2024. Since then, the plaintiff has been avoiding court processes by failing to attend court. He chose to come to court at his own time after a warrant of arrest was issued against him. The court directed that he attends court. Yesterday, he attends court. Instead of doing so, Mr. Ndegwa attended virtual court and started to address the court. And started to address court on an application that their client had filed. It must not be forgotten that on 14th of October 2025, I was categorical that I will give no further audience to the plaintiff until he either surrenders in court in answer to the notice to show cause or notice to show cause as to why he should not be punished for contempt of court, or he was to be brought to court under the warrants of arrest issued. In my ruling of 3rd of October 2025, I declined to set aside and or lift the warrants of arrest issued against the plaintiff on 22nd November 2024. Since it is said that the plaintiff has now been brought in answer to the notice to show cause, his notice to show cause in an ambulance. He is certainly not in a position to answer to the said notice to show cause. It has been purported time and again that the plaintiff is sick, allegedly suffering from dementia, but he has numerous times filed applications and supporting affidavits which clearly indicate that he does not suffer from dementia. Otherwise, how would a man suffering from dementia give instructions to his advocates to file documents and even swear affidavits to support them? Since notice to show cause cannot be done on a litigant who is in an ambulance, the police from Parklands Police Station will produce him in court on any working day from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. after the plaintiff Ashwin Shah recovers from whatever ailment he's suffering from. Those are the orders of the court.
Most of that.
Melissa, you are addressing you. Yeah, no. But you're just asking me, you see, we have an application.
No. You want what?
Wait.
You know you have more to do.
Wait.
You have to.
Even when I stand on my feet, I believe Article 50 is clear. Whether you have killed, whether you have done anything you want. At least audience. Your audience.
You should have told her she's in an ambulance.
Your audience. But what should we do?
That's why you lost her.
The court demanded that he comes.
But he is not sick.
Yeah? No, go there and stay.
He is not sick.
Let's go there with the media.
Let's
See,
go.
the guy is sick.
He is not sick.
Yeah? So if the police want to
He's
take
not
him now, they can take him. But you see, I'm only one thing. There is something called access to justice. We are here because
you
we have
can't
a
say you've
dispute.
been denied.
We are here
Ask,
because
ask Mr. Mtava.
no, we're here because
Ask
we have a
Mr.
dispute.
Mtava.
We have a
No, no,
dispute,
no.
right?
She is absolutely right.
But would you know
We have a
his
dispute.
health status from
He
the
is not
past?
sick.
But there is no.
He was attending the Wali, he was upright, he was smiling.
But where is the
He
evidence?
is- I'll produce it.
Where is the
I'll produce
evidence?
it. Please.
Where is the evidence that he attended all those things you're talking about? But why should I not, should we not be heard?
He's not sick.
Why should we not be heard? What is so hard in hearing us? What is so hard?
Kurudi kwa hospitali.